These habits increase sensitivity in teeth. Quit them from today itself. It is common to have a problem of sensitivity in the teeth. Many times you are knowingly or unknowingly following some habits which can harm the teeth. In such a situation, let us know which habits you should give up. Expert opinion. Today we will learn from Dr. K.P. Sardana, physician of Sharda Clinic, which habits can harm our teeth. You can avoid damage to your teeth by changing these habits. Using the wrong toothbrush. If you do not use a brush according to your teeth, then your oral health can be harmed. Using the wrong brush does not clean your mouth completely. Drinking soda every day. If you consume soda daily, it can damage your teeth. This has a bad effect on the body as well as the teeth and can damage the enamel layer. Excessive sugar intake. If you consume more sugar than required, it can harm your oral health. This causes acid-producing bacteria to grow in the mouth. In such a situation, do not eat too much sugar. Brushing vigorously. Many people try to clean their teeth by rubbing the brush vigorously. This does not clean the teeth much, but it causes pain and other injuries. In such a situation, do not brush too vigorously. Brushing your teeth incorrectly. If your brushing method is not correct, then plaque is not removed properly. This can cause gum irritation. To get relief from this problem, brush twice a day. It is important to change these habits.